Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to use the Amazon Photos app in 2025. First, download the Amazon Photos app from the Play Store or App Store and sign in with your Amazon account. Once logged in, the app will automatically back up the photos and videos from your phone if you enable autosave. This is especially useful for Amazon Prime members since they get unlimited full resolution photo storage and 5GB for videos. To view your content, just tap the Photos tab to scroll through your uploads or use the Albums tab to organize them. You can also create shared albums and invite friends or family to contribute their photos. The app has a search feature powered by AI, so you can quickly find images by typing in people, places, or even objects. Everything stays accessible in the cloud through the app or Amazon Photos web. And that's how you use the Amazon Photos app in 2025. Thanks for watching.